So here are the buttons on the driver's door. The bottom two buttons here for the electric windows. This one will lock the passenger window, and then this button will lock and unlock the vehicle. The button above folds the mirrors in, and then the one at the top you choose left or right mirror and move it like a joystick to adjust the mirrors. So here are the buttons just inside the driver's door. On the bottom left we have the bonnet release, and to the right we have the fuel cap release. The button with the letter A on, when you stop at the traffic lights, the car will automatically switch the engine off to save fuel and restart when you drive away. If you don't like that function, that button just switches that off. The picture of the car with off underneath, that turns your traction control off. The one to the right of that does the angle of the headlights. So if you have a lot of weight in the back, you can adjust the angle of your headlights so you don't dazzle drivers coming the other way. And the button to the right of that does the brightness of the dials. You can tailor that to suit. With the wiper control, one click up will just wipe the window. One down will put it to automatic, so the wipers will come on and change with the weather. Then you have low speed and you have high speed. The collar allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the automatic, and pulling it to pull the whole lever towards you will put water on the windscreen. With the left hand stalk we have the lights. When you put the switch up, first click puts them to automatic, so they'll come on when it gets dark. Then you have the option of side lights and then headlights. The collar here allows you to put the front fog light and then front and rear fog light, and indicators up and down and full beam and dip beam. When you have the light set to automatic, put it forward onto full beam and the lights will automatically dip when a car comes towards you. On the right of the steering wheel you have the button at the top here that chooses whether you have your cruise control or speed limiter on. With the cruise control, when you get to the desired speed, you just press the set button to set it and the car will maintain that speed. If you slow down, you can press reset and it will take you back to the last speed that you'd set. When you have it on speed limiter, you can set the speed with the plus and minus buttons, and if it's on intelligent speed limiter, when it goes past the speed sign, it will adjust to the new speed for you. The button with the steering wheel, if you don't want the lane assist operation, press and hold the button, and then you'll see that it will take off the lane assist functions, and press it again and hold it, and we'll put those back on. The arrows at the bottom allow you to go into the trip computer, and as you scroll along it gives you the different information. It shows how long you've got you need to top up your AdBlue, and then right at the end it allows you to go into your settings, and to access those you would just press the middle button and it brings up the menus for you. With the heater controls, the dial on the left shows where the air would be coming through. The button to the right of that is your heated rear window. The dial in the centre is the speed of the fan. Then you have the AC button that turns your air conditioning on and off, and to the right you have the temperature dial. The slider bar underneath on the right allows air in from outside, and to the left circulates the air inside the car, so if you're behind a bus you don't get the fumes coming in. And then at the bottom right here we have the four-wheel drive lever, so 2 high for normal roads, twist it round to the 4 high, which you can do and as you're driving in a straight line, and then you have the low ratio, which you would have to stop to engage at, where you push the button in and twist it to the right. In front of the gear lever we have these buttons. The left one is your passenger heated seat. The one with the letter P on turns your parking sensors off. The one to the right of that is the hill descent control, so if you go down a particularly steep hill, activate that to help with control. The one to the right of that locks the rear differential, so again off-road just gives you more control. And the right one is your heated driver's seat.